Bob Marley's connection with Adidas continues to evolve, highlighting the late icon's lifelong appreciation for the three stripes. After officially launching their partnership in 2024 with the SL72, the brand and the Marley estate now move forward with a more modern silhouette, the Adidas EVO SL. Recently revealed official images show the sneaker dressed in strong Jamaican-inspired colors, led by a dominant yellow upper. Red, black, and green accents appear on the three stripes, while darker tones settle around the collar for added contrast. Beyond its bold appearance, the shoe delivers meaningful storytelling. The tongue features a graphic nod to classic black and white Adidas lifestyle designs, paired with a football as freedom message and Bob Marley's signature. These details reinforce themes of culture, unity, and expression. The Bob Marley x Adidas EVO SL is expected to release on February 6, alongside a Gazelle Indoor colorway that has yet to be officially revealed.